It's me, RJ Manawis from 3CRI A2-4, a third-year criminology student of Pinma Arroyo University. Our video presentation is all about ink analysis. At the end of this lesson, the student should be able to identify the different properties of ink and explain the importance of ink analysis. So, let's start. So first, let us know what is ink. Ink is a colored fluid used for writing, drawing, printing, or duplicating. It is a gel or solution that contains at least one colorant such as a dye or pigment and is used to color a surface to produce an image, text, or design. It is composed of solvent, pigment, dyes, resins, lubricants, varnish, wax, and fluorescent. The sources of ink are commonly used and usually made of following ingredients: petroleum, distillate solvent, salts, some form of organic pigments, and oil. The purpose of ink are used for uniting or drawing that uses materials like pen, brush, or quill, and ink uses also includes marking text, design, image, or colored surface. So let's move to basic groups of inks properties. There are three basic group of inks properties, which are optical properties, structural properties, and drying properties. First, let's go to optical properties. Optical properties includes color matching or the process in which pigments, dyes, and special effects are combined to achieve a specific color. Color matching typically has additives such as depressant and stabilizer to perfectly stabilize a specific polymer. Next, structural properties. Structural properties composed of consistency, viscosity, and length. Consistency refers to the softness and hardness of the ink. Viscosity refers to the degree of measurement of the resistance. Length is related to consistency and describe the durability of an ink to form long, stringy filament which has increased flow characteristic and form long threads of ink when pulled. And last, drying properties. Drying properties, inks usually dry because of oxidation and polymerization, evaporation, etc. Inks sustainability is important in preventing problem inks might encounter like strike through, set off, and choking. So, let's go to method used in ink analysis. Microspectrophotometry is the way of discovering the true color of the ink. Destructive ink analysis is called the thin layer chromatography, which results to a pattern of color dispatch known as a chromatogram for each ink. And last, high-performance liquid chromatography, which can be used as an alternative to TLC, or also known as thin layer chromatography. It is used to identify quality and purify the individual components of ink. So last, let's go to importance of ink analysis in criminal investigation. It is to see if the document is fake, altered, or tampered. Ink analysis is important part of question document, including forged or altered records. Although black and blue ink are almost the same, there can be still difference in terms of chemical composition. This can be revealed through laboratory analysis and help assess whether there are alteration of document, and there may be suggestion of obliteration and overwriting. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from my presentation. Please click like, share, and click notification bell for more updates.